Achalasia for me was a real nightmare. I mean, I wasn't able to swallow. I had lost considerable amount of weight. I couldn't go out with family or friends because the situation, if I ate something or I drank something where I couldn't swallow, I'd have to go to the restroom and, pass that up. My name is Kelly Griffith, and I had the POEM procedure done on my esophagus with Dr. Aryaie, and it was a success. I didn't know what it was when I first experienced these symptoms. All of a sudden, it just happened overnight. There was no rhyme or reason. It wasn't like I was in pain, and then all of a sudden, I remember exactly what I was doing, and then all of a sudden, I could not swallow. And then all of a sudden, the food would not stay down, and it felt like I had a big knot in that bottom of your esophagus, bottom of my esophagus, and that was just due to the simple fact that that was closed up and nothing would pass through there. It's a great procedure. It was a couple of hours of surgery, but you're asleep, so you don't know. You're not experiencing any pain. And I spent basically a day in the hospital, and I went home and I had a modified diet for a couple of weeks, and then a little bit more of a modified diet for a couple of weeks, and then I went on to solid foods within a month, and it's been a very good success for me. Dr. Aryaie is one of the best, if not the best as far as I know. He is the best that I've found, so I highly recommend him. The procedure consists of the surgeon going in between the membrane and the muscle in your esophagus. I'm not really totally for sure how they do it, but they laser out that muscle so it relaxes. It's just a very simple process, and they don't tear that membrane so you don't have any bleeding, and you don't have any, there was a little bit of soreness, but not anything to complain about, and it relaxes that muscle, allowing you to swallow and allowing the food to go down past that little sphincter in the top of your stomach. 95 to 98% cured. I have very little problems. I have a little bit of heartburn every now and then, but the issues that I had before don't exist anymore. Yeah, Dr. Aryaie was he's got a very good bedside manner. I mean, he came and checked on me after the procedure was done. I'm very happy that I was able to find him and able to choose him to perform this procedure. And Dr. Aryaie is one of the best surgeons that I've encountered. So, well, my eating habits before the surgery were pretty much limited to oatmeal, soft foods, something that wouldn't, believe it or not, it was potato chips, a lot of potato chips for some reason. Those didn't seem to affect me too much, but bread, tortillas, anything of that nature was off limits. I mean, you're gonna kill yourself. It'll end up getting stuck in there, and then you'll have to bring it back up to alleviate the pain. After the procedure, I have very few issues. I'm able to eat pretty much anything that I would like to eat in moderation. Of course, anybody that overeats, you're going to experience heartburn or indigestion or whatever they want to call it. But I've learned how to modify my diet to keep from experiencing any heartburn or acid reflux, as they call it, and I'm cured. I mean, I really think that I'm cured. Oh, I'd recommend the surgery to anybody that's having the issues that I'm having, and I wouldn't hesitate to do it again. I mean, it's kind of a little scary when you first think about it, but after it's over, it's such a wonderful experience again to be experiencing life. I can go anywhere, I can eat just pretty much anything, go out with friends, family. As before, it was like I wouldn't go anywhere because I couldn't swallow. So if you're going out to eat, that's a prime requisite for eating is swallowing. So that would be just an issue, and I'm so thankful that I don't have to do that anymore. Dr. Aryaie is very personable. He's got a great bedside manner. He explained everything so thoroughly that I felt at ease. When any kind of surgery is going to probably make people nervous. It made me nervous. But after he explained it, and we went through the deal, and he came in before this, when you're getting prepped for the surgery, he came in and talked to me for a little while, and it just went so well. It just really did. It was a great experience. Dr. Aryaie he's a great surgeon.